Hi, good afternoon. At the moment I'm looking for junior engineers to support site reliability engineering at KBC Global Services Hungary. As for the team, they are part of the data and services train, and their job is building and hosting a big data platform, and we need you to maintain the big data platform on AWS. To be more specific, you will have to make sure that the platform remains stable and cost efficient. You will have to build and maintain monitoring and dashboard solutions, and you'll be the first line of contact for the users in case of issues. You will also have to collaborate with the build teams on the train, and the build team is going to provide procedures, knowledge transfer, and help you with solving the more complex issues. We are running a 24/7 on-call rotation system with your colleagues, and you will be added to the on-call rotation system as soon as you have reached the required expertise and knowledge to work more independently. And as for your job, you are going to maintain the big data cloud platform. You will have to make sure that the platform is stable and cost efficient, and you will have to solve level 1 and level 3 issues. You support the build team with solving more complex level 3 issues, and you will also have to identify repeating and reoccurring issues. And of course, you are going to write procedures to handle them. And automate the resolution as much as possible. And you will also have to build and maintain monitoring and dashboard systems, and keep the system running outside office hours as well. And of course, you will have to participate in the on-call system. Don't worry, you are going to be given a training program by the build team on platform development, for example, including AWS, which is heavily used by the platform. As for the requirements, we are looking for an ideal candidate who is interested or who has knowledge of Python, JSON, YAML, Bash and Linux, or at least you should be willing to learn these tools and technologies. You should be fluent in English, this is a must. You need to have easy communication skills and style with colleagues in different parts of the organization. You need to be independent and self-sufficient. You will have to follow the steps of the on-the-job training. You will have to find answers to your questions and acquire the know-how. You need to be passionate about automating jobs and processes, and you will have to show great interest toward big data tools and technologies. And this is a nice to have if you are familiar with open source technologies, including Airflow, Concurs, Spark, Grafana and Prometheus. This is also a nice to have if you are familiar with AWS services such as Terraform, Docker and Kubernetes, and experience in previous support roles is a bonus, and prior knowledge of banking and insurance products is a plus.